this is my 3D printer, which I have modeled in SOLIDWORKS. I've taken it completely apart in order to get dimensionally accurate parts so that my assembly will be able to be properly made and move. Now into the exploded view, we take off the top bracket and are able to take off the carriage assembly. Both of the carriages on the left and the side with the vehicles are able to be taken apart, and then we're able to slide off the extruder carriage, which then we take off the extruder and take apart the extruder, and everything is able to be taken apart down to the wheels. Then we remove the power supply and are able to disassemble it, though don't do it in real life. Then we remove the LCD and also disassemble it. Then we remove the Z lead screw, which controls the height of the assembly. After that, we remove the bed motor and bed mount and bed tensioner. After which, we're able to disassemble them and take off the bed, which just slides off, the PI sheet, the heated bed, the spring, and the whole bed assembly carriage. After which, we're able to remove the housing for the control board, after which we remove all the screws from the aluminum extrusions and are able to take them apart. As for the interesting parts for the project, as I have mentioned before, I have completely taken apart my 3D printer in order to get dimensional accuracy for all the parts. Also, I think this specific geometry of the H2 extruder is very neat to model. Modeling sheet metal parts is an advanced technique that we haven't learned in class. As for the simulation, I was interested in how the high accelerations of the 3D printer can affect the aluminum extrusions. With accelerations of 20 meters per second and a weight of 280 grams, the aluminum extrusions can experience forces as high as 1.5 pounds, which results in a maximum deflection of 0.03 millimeters, which is marginal. As expected, we can see that the stresses are highest on the faces closest and farthest away from the deflection. I've made the attachment points to be the bolts which bolt into the frame, and also a sliding attachment of the faces. Thank you for viewing my first SOLIDWORKS project and my first video. Currently I have 2 Ender 3 printers on my hands, and my next project is probably going to be along the lines of combining them and making them into a singular Core XY print 3D printer. But that's probably in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.